Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I will break down the top 5 best BBQ grills, and which BBQ grills I found to be the best. I will go in descending order, starting with the 5th ranked pick, and at the end of the video, you'll find out which one, in my opinion, is the best BBQ grills and ranked at number 1. If you want to check prices of each of the products, check out the links in the description, as I have included the link to each of the products mentioned. At number 5, we have Weber Genesis 3-burner gas grill. Weber grills are consistently featured among the best, and the brand lives up to its strong reputation. The Weber Genesis E325S received high praise in gas grill tests for its impressive capacity and precise temperature control. During extended grilling sessions, the heat remained even with the lid closed, while the center sear zone remained the hottest with the lid open, offering useful cooler zones for steady cooking and perfect browning on a reverse seared steak. The porcelain enameled cast iron grates effectively transfer heat, creating desirable grill marks and minimizing sticking. A fish fillet effortlessly came off the grill, skin and flesh side down, and the caramelized onions were the best of all models tested. The rapid temperature response when adjusting the 3 burners stood out, and the generous 994 square inch cooking surface can accommodate up to 3 dozen burger patties for a large gathering. While the price may seem steep, the Genesis E325S is a worthwhile investment for passionate grillers. At number 4, we have Traeger Ironwood wood pellet grill and smoker. Pellet grills are electric smokers that use pellets compressed wood pieces, resembling rabbit food as fuel. These grills can maintain low temperatures for extended periods, allowing for hands-off cooking. They also have the versatility to bake at higher temperatures and grill up to 500 degrees Fahrenheit, though they typically don't create the best sear marks. The Traeger Ironwood 885 stands out as a top choice among pellet grills. Its design is both sturdy and straightforward. In tests, it effectively cooked ribs, leaving a subtle smoke ring, and prepared a reverse-seared steak to perfection. The brisket was especially impressive, offering some of the best flavors tasted. The grill connects to an app enabling users to monitor the ambient temperature, internal food temperature, and pellet level through included probes. Traeger offers a variety of pellet grills, including smaller models in each range. Their latest line, the Woodridge, presents a more affordable option with digital controls for added convenience. At number 3, we have Weber Performer Deluxe Charcoal Grill. The Weber Performer Deluxe stands out as the top choice for charcoal grills due to its ease of use and excellent mobility. Built into a 4-wheeled cart, it features a large prep surface that doubles as a cutting board, as well as a tilt-out charcoal storage bin or trash can. The sturdy design enhances portability while ensuring stability during grilling. Lighting and controlling flames can be tricky with charcoal, but the Performer Deluxe simplifies this with a push-button ignition system and adjustable dampers. This remains one of the favorite charcoal grills, one tester shared. The propane starter cuts heat-up time in half, and the charcoal storage is a convenient addition. Cleanup is effortless, thanks to a rod that sweeps ashes into the large, removable ash catcher. Testing revealed well-defined grill marks on steaks with no sticking issues. Although assembly is time-consuming, the Performer Deluxe offers lasting durability, making it a great investment for both beginners and seasoned grillers. At number 2, we have Weber Original Kettle Premium Charcoal Grill. Weber introduced their iconic kettle in 1956, featuring a porcelain enameled lid and body that provides a premium shine and feel, while also being rust-resistant over the years. This lightweight grill is easy to roll around, offering excellent portability. The handles stay cool during use, and a shield on top of the lid helps protect fingers from accidental contact with the hot surface. The lid can be conveniently hung on the grill when not in use. In testing, the grill was able to heat evenly with lit coals, cook a delicious smoky steak, and then prepare 4 chicken thighs. The coals can be arranged to create 2 distinct cooking zones, one for direct cooking and another for indirect cooling. The enclosed ash collector prevents messes, though storage space is limited. For those seeking an upgraded option, the Weber Performer Deluxe Charcoal Grill, built into a rolling cart, offers a prep area, a larger bottom shelf, and the convenience of push-button ignition. At number 1, we have Weber Spirit 4-burner Grill. Weber updated their line of Spirit grills this year, introducing a new auto-ignite feature for each knob, eliminating the need to turn the knobs and press the igniter. This version, similar to the popular Spirit 2 E310, features 4 burners, a sear zone that spans half of the cooking area, and enclosed storage space. It also offers a boost in power with 5,000 extra BTUs. The side shelves of the grill are sturdy, with a glossy finish, and tool holders are positioned on either side for convenience. The handle is now made of stainless steel instead of plastic, giving it a more substantial feel. The grates are porcelain enameled, similar to those found on Weber's other gas grills. In testing, the steak cooked quickly and the chicken was cooked evenly, though the bread didn't heat as uniformly. The sear zone was also used to grill peppers and onions, which charred nicely and developed a rich, flavorful taste. That's all for today. If you enjoyed the video, please subscribe to our channel. For more information or to check out product prices, take a look at the description below. If you have any questions or concerns, feel free to leave a comment.